Hey guys, this is Martin again, and today's video is part of our web mini-series around most useful penetration testing tools and bug bounty hunting tools. So I want to grab your attention and show you Replit.com. So you sign up, it's a free account. There's paid versions, there's upgraded versions, as always, right? But the free account is completely fine for the needs we have as bug bounty hunters, right? So once you signed up, you simply can create a REPL. And what that basically is like a virtualized little server, and then you can choose your programming language you want to run this again. Like for example, if you want to test a Python script or C++, C Sharp, Java, like whatever, right? Like if you need a PHP web server to replicate something, Ruby on Rails and those kind of things. So most typically you use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, because this is like the standard stuff. It gives it a funny title name, and then you simply hit create, and a few seconds later this is basically done. So here's your URL effectively, right, like for this test environment, and then you can write code in there, right? So you could come over here and say like, hey, script, and then alert 0, like JavaScript, cross-site scripting, most basic payload, right? And then you simply hit run, right? And see how this works. Boom, and you have your executed JavaScript. You can also take this, for example, right? Like boom, and head over to another browser. Let's head over to another browser here, like this one. Put it in there, and you see it works. Like from another browser, not the same cookies, nothing. So it's pretty cool, right? I find this super useful because like back in the days before these kind of cloud services were around, you had to host, like your own XAMPP server and stuff like that locally, and then you had to mess with NAT or PAT in terms of getting like your public IP address of your home router to map back to your local machine, and it's all kinds of stupid setup, right? Like this makes it so much easier, and it's also cool, like not only from a security perspective, but if you want to test a certain function, hey, why this isn't working, like if you're a developer, where do I have a mistake? I mean, this also checks for mistakes and errors and stuff like that, like, hey, I missed an angle bracket, or I missed a comma or whatever, and it's super useful as well, and you can use this as a proof of concept when you do penetration testing, like cookie exfiltration and stuff like that. And it's free, it's useful, check it out, right? So if you like this, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.